I'm giving you the bacon. I'm giving you some ranch, bacon. Give me some cookies, more cookies. Y'all gonna be jealous.
Y'all close? What time y'all close?
Huh? Please.
What's today? Thursday? Say nah. Why y'all closing early? What she say?
Thank you.
She said, I'm hungry. Y'all close early on Thursdays or something?
We just got a shortage on everything.
Mama, I want to strawberry chocolate.
Get down, get down.
Some bacon. Yeah, I'm gonna get bacon on mine. Cause no, I'm on my grind. Mama, I want that here.
Do you eat a foot long or do you eat a half of that?
We can get half of that in. I do not want that.
3 6 inches.
I want me a foot long.
Can you eat a foot long or no?
Yeah, I can. I'm learning about this. My name.
Let me ask you that.
Y'all got some cookies? Oh, I see no cookies. Y'all don't got no cookies? I want cookies. Too bad. Shut up. I have to get some chips. Do y'all have any?
Italian is fine, all the time.
Do y'all have any cookies?
Did he eat a foot long or a half?
Oh, we should get tofu.
Y'all not gonna eat no foot long. Okay, well 2 foot longs and 2 halves. What kind do you want?
I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna
What type of foot long? What type of meat do you want?
cookie.
Cookie. That's not a meat.
I don't like.
you
I
want-
want to meet that guy.
Chicken.
I want bacon.
You want something with bacon on it?
I want bacon with pepperoni.
I want the chicken, the oven roasted chicken breast. Oh, you know what? No, I don't. You got the turkey breast?
You from?
You want something with turkey on it? Okay, for my foot long, I want the turkey breast. Hey, what type of stuff do y'all want?
I want that too.
You want ham?
And cheese. I want meat from it. Mama, I want that cheese. I want some.
Just what type of meat? I put y'all cheese.
Hey, I want that meat up there. I want that meat right there. I want bacon. The strip meat right there. I want the bacon. I want the Italian hero, Mama. Yeah, I want the Italian hero. Okay, I want the Italian hero. I want the Italian hero for the other foot long. And I want the bacon and ranch on my tail. Can you put some bacon and ranch on my tail hero?
You said bacon.
It ranch.
Honey, what kind of meat do you want?
I said I want the Italian hero. I want some white cheese on mine. And I wanted bacon. Bacon? Yeah, I want bacon. Can I get bacon? Italian hero.
Okay. Honey, what type of meat do you want?
Bacon.
Stop saying that.
That's
You can have bacon on it, but what type of the sandwich?
pepperoni.
Extra on it.
Pepperoni. Want the Italian
You want
hero?
the Italian hero too?
No. We all get the Italian hero. No. What?
Naya, look up here and read.
You got a BLT with bacon, lettuce, tomatoes. You don't have to do that.
You want that? The BLT with bacon, lettuce, and tomato?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And can you put some like cheese on it? It's cheese. I want the same thing.
She wants the
Broccoli
Italian hero.
cheddar. You want some bacon on it? No, I don't want it. You want it all bacon? You want it?
Over here.
Okay.
Cheese for the turkey.
Oh, and then onion. I like a deal. I really like red. Goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe to my favorite YouTube channel. Hey, y'all, Bailey Living. I look at things. Y'all, they live